VividPython 2019 Enterprises Incorporated presents Bully and Furnace Bully break their parents' lamp / grounded.
Hello, I am Bully. And I am Furnace Bully. And today, we are going to break our parents' lamp. Ha 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 ha. Yes, we broke our parents' lamp. Yes, we broke our parents' lamp. Yes, we broke our parents' lamp. Now what should we do next, Furnace Bully? I don't know, Bully.
Bully and Furnace Bully, Furnace Bully, Furnace Bully, Furnace Bully, Furnace Bully, both of you, get over here, right now.
Both of you are in deep trouble.
What is it, Mom and Dad? Yeah, what is it, Mom and Dad?
Bully and Furnace Bully, did you just break our lamp? Tell us the truth, right now, or else both of you are grounded.
Well, to be honest, yes, we broke your lamp. We're sorry. Yeah, we're sorry.
GRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRR my freaking god. Bull freaking idiot moron retarded bald as lamp breaking and furnace freaking idiot moron retarded bald as lamp breaking bully. How freaking dare you break our lamp? Now we have to buy a new one. Thanks to both of you. This lamp costed us $462.
That's it. Both of you are grounded for 56 decades. Both of you, go to your room, right now.
Wow.